Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Twitch Prime sub. First, ensure your Amazon Prime and Twitch accounts are linked. Visit the Prime Gaming website, sign in with your Amazon credentials, and then connect your Twitch account. This crucial first step unlocks your monthly free channel subscription, allowing you to support your favorite streamers and access exclusive benefits. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to your chosen streamer's channel on Twitch. Look for the subscribe button, usually located near the top right of the video player. Click it, and you'll see an option to use your Prime Gaming subscription. Select this option, confirm, and you've successfully subscribed. Remember, you get one free subscription every 30 days, so choose wisely each month. Subscribing with Prime Gaming offers fantastic perks. You'll often enjoy ad-free viewing on that channel, exclusive emotes to use across Twitch, and a special subscriber badge next to your name in chat. These benefits not only enhance your viewing experience, but also directly support the streamer, helping them continue creating content. It's a win-win situation for both you and your favorite creators. To manage your Prime Gaming subscription, head to your Twitch subscriptions page. Here, you can see when your current free subscription expires and choose to renew it for the same channel or let it lapse to subscribe to a different one next month. You can also cancel paid subscriptions from this page. Remember, your free Prime Gaming sub needs to be manually renewed every 30 days to continue supporting your chosen channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.